Welcome to our YouTube channel, Pokharia School Official.
Hello children, welcome back to my second video. I hope you all are doing well and keeping up with your studies. In this class, we will learn how to read and write numbers using international system. This international system is included in class 5 math book, so this video is only for class 5 students. In the future, I will come up with some other videos related to both class 4 and class 5 students. Now children, be ready, listen carefully and understand. There are two types of number system. Hindu-Arabic system and international system. Hindu-Arabic system is still used in some Southeast Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nepal, whereas international system is used all over the world. Today, we shall learn to read and write numbers up to millions using international system. And look at the table. In international system, the periods are divided into unit periods, thousands periods, and millions period. And each period has three places: ones, tens, and hundred. Now, what is the difference between international system and Hindu-Arabic system? We are going to look with the help of an example. I have taken the number here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Now I am going to put this number in the place value table. I'll start from the last digit, that is 0. So I'll keep this 0 in ones place. 9 in tens place, 8 in hundreds place, 7 in 1000s place, 6 in 10,000s place, 5 in 100 place, 4 in 1 million's place, 3 in 10 million's place, and 2 in 100 million's place. Now we can clearly see the place value of the digit in the number. The place value of 0 is here, ones, 9 is tens, 8 is 100, 7 is 1000, 6 is 10,000s, 5 is 100,000s, 4 is 1 million, 3 is 10 millions, and 2 is 100 millions. So we have the same place value in both the system till 10,000s. But after 10,000s, we have the different place value for the number. Now we are going to see what is the difference in both the system. In Hindu-Arabic system, we have lakh places after 10,000. So the place value of 5 in Hindu-Arabic system is lakh, whereas the place value of 5 in international system is 100,000. So we can read lakh as 100,000 in international system. So we have 10 lakh after the lakh in Hindu-Arabic system. So the place value of 4 in Hindu-Arabic system is 10 lakh, whereas the place value of 4 in international system is 1 million. So we read 10 lakh as 1 million in international system. Similarly, we have crore after 10 lakh in Hindu-Arabic system. So the place value of 3 in Hindu-Arabic system is crore, whereas the place value of 3 in international system is 10 million. So we can read the crore as 10 millions in international system. So we have the place of 10 crore after the crore in Hindu Arabic system. So we can read the 10 crore as 100 millions in international system, and the place value of 2 in Hindu Arabic system is 10 crore, whereas the place value of 2 in international system is 100 million. Now we can see here we have the same place value of the number till 10,000s in both the system, but the place value of the number differs after 10,000s in both the system. Here, the place value of 5 in the Hindu Arabic system is lakh, whereas the place value of 5 in international system is 100,000. Similarly, the place value of 4 in Hindu Arabic system is 10 lakh, whereas the place value of 4 in international system is 1 million. The place value of 3 in Hindu Arabic system is crore, whereas the place value of 3 in international system is 10 million. And the place value of 2 in Hindu Arab system is 10 crore, whereas the place value of 2 in international system is 100 millions. Now we use comma to show the places of the digit in the number. So we'll count the number from our right. This is our right, and this is our left. So we count the number from our right to the left. We count the first 3 digits from the right. So this is our first 3 digits from the right, and we place a comma. Then we place comma after every 3 digits from the right. So in international system, we count the number from right to the left. We count the first 3 digits from the right, and we place a comma. After that, we place comma after every 3 digits. Whereas in Hindu Arabic system, we count the number from right to the left. We place the comma from the first 3 digits from the right. Then after every 2 digits, we place a comma. Now we read the number in international system as 234 millions, comma 567 thousands and 890. So we can write the number in words as 234 millions, comma 567 thousands, comma 890. So we can read the number as 234 million 567,890. Now we look at another example. Here the question is, put the number 234507890 in a place value table and write in words according to international system. So the question has asked to put the number in place value table. So we will draw place value table. I have written the solution here. Here we put the given number in a place value as follows. So drawn a place value table here. We have 3 periods in international system, and they are unit periods, thousands periods, and millions periods. And each periods are divided into 3 places, ones places, tens places, and hundreds places. Now put the number here. Now I'll keep the last digit of the number in the ones, that is 0 in the ones, 9 in the tens, 8 in the hundred, 7 in 1000s, 0 on 10,000s, 5 on 100,000s, 4 on 1 million, 3 on 10 millions, and 2 on 100 millions. Now we can clearly see the place value of the digit in the number. Now we'll use a comma to separate the periods. So we count the number from our right to the left. We count the first 3 digits from the right, then we place a comma, then we place comma after every 3 digits from the right. So we can now read the number 234, 507, 890. Now we'll read the number as 234 millions, 507 thousands, and 890. Now we can write the number in words as 234 millions, 507 thousands, 890. So I've written the number in the words as 234 millions, 507 thousands, 890. I hope you are clear now. So let us move to some more examples. Example number 1, write in words 185, 090, 159. Now the question hasn't asked us to make a place value table, so we will roughly sketch the place value table in our answer. This will also save our time. So we group this last 3 digits in our unit period. The next 3 digits in our thousands period. And the last 3 digits in our millions period. Now each period has 3 places, that is O for ones, T for tens, and S for 100. Again the same in thousands. S for 100,000s. O for 1 million, T for tens million, and S for 100 million. Now we can clearly see the places of the digit in the number. So now we can write the number in words as 185 millions, comma 90 thousands, comma 159. So we have written the number in words as 185 millions, 90 thousands, 159. So you can notice here there is 0 in 100 places, and we have not read this 0 while writing the number in the words. So we only write 0 when we need to show the place value, missing place value of the number. So we do not write 0 while reading the numbers. So next is write in numbers: 60 millions, 42 thousands, and 82. Now first we are going to group this number in different periods. So this one is in millions, and these are in thousands, and these two numbers are in unit. So now we can write the number as 60 millions, comma, so there is no number in the 100 places, so we write 0 to show the place value of 100,000. 0, 4, 2, comma, again we don't have any number in the 100, so we write 0 to show the 100 place value. 0, 8, 2. So this 042 is thousands, so we'll write here thousands. Now we can write the number as G6 0 0 4 2 0 8 2. So while giving the comma, let me just put some space here. This is easy for us to put the comma. So while using the comma to separate the periods, first we count the number from the right to the left. We count the first 3 digits from the right, then we place a comma. Then we place comma after every 3 digits. So we place comma over here. So we have the number now 60, comma 042, comma 082. Now let us move to another example. Example number 3. Write in words: 156, comma 303, comma 405. So here as well we are going to roughly scale the place value table. This will save our time. So we are going to place this 3 digit in our unit period. And these 3 in our thousands period. And the last 3 digit in our millions period. Now each period has 3 places, so we write all the 3 places here. O for ones, T for tens, and S for 100. Again the same process here. O for ones, T for tens, and S for 100. O for ones, T for tens, and S for 100. Now we can clearly see here all the places of the digit in the number. So we'll write the number as 156 millions, comma 303 thousands, comma 405. Okay, so we are going to write here and 405. So in this way we read the number as 156 millions 303 thousands and 405. So we can write the number in words as 156 millions, comma 303 thousands and 405. So let me just correct this one. We are going to write comma here, comma 405. So we have written the number as 156 millions 303 thousands 405. Now let us look at example number 4. Write in numbers. So first we are going to group these numbers in different periods. 380 are in millions, 420 are in thousands, and 63 are in unit. Now I've written the solution here. Now we can write the number as 380 millions, comma 420 thousands, and there is no number in the 100 place, so we write 0. After that we have 6 in the tens place and 3 in the ones place, so 63. Now we can write the number as 380 420063. Now we are going to place comma to show the different periods. So we count the number from right to the left. We count the first 3 digits from the right and we put a comma. Then after every 3 digits. So we have the number here 380, comma 420, comma 063. Now I hope all of you are clear. So we have come to the end of our class. Here are some exercises related to the topic which I have taught today. If you have book, you can practice from the book as well. If you do not have book, you can look at the exercise and practice at home. Let me go to the exercise. Number 1. Write the place value of 2 in each of the figure given below. So you have to write the place value of 2 in each question here. You can roughly sketch the place value table and you can find the place value of 2. Number 2. Put comma in each of the numbers given below. So you have to put comma using international system. So first you count the number from right to the left. You place comma from the first 3 digits from the right, then after every 3 digits. So number 3 here is write in words. So you have to write this number in words. And number 4, the question is given in words, so you have to convert it in the numbers. Now children, you are staying at home. Follow all the preventive measures to protect yourself from coronavirus. Keep yourself busy. Practice at home. And I will see you in the next class.